In the FSD Pakistan program, funded by the European Union's Directorate for Humanitarian Aid, ECHO, FSD educates local populations to adopt best practice and safest behavior when living in an environment polluted by explosive remnant of conflict. Northwestern Pakistan was a conflict of important firefight in 2009 when Pakistan's military reclaimed possession of territories taken by the Taliban. During this bout of conflict, many houses, buildings, roads, bridges were heavily damaged or destroyed, leaving in their rubble non-exploded ammunition. Furthermore, the violent floods that ravaged the inner valleys of those areas in the summer of 2010 rendered the situation even more complicated by having moved unexploded ordnance downstream. Among the people most at risk in the reconstruction effort in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KPK, are the construction workers rummaging through these rubbles. And that is why FSD is especially targeting this corporation of workers, teaching them about the risks of items they may uncover or discover during their tasks. So far, in a year, out of 800,000 people FSD has touched by its awareness message, FSD has reached 34,908 people working on building rehabilitation, on construction and clearing sites, as well as general public works such as roads and bridges, thus enabling these important breadwinners to work with the safest behavior and carry on enjoying their trade, knowing what they may find in the environment.